What's up, guys? Unspeakable back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the key and the bottle and the message for the cursed chest. Hold on. Ethan, go on. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the key to open the cursed chest. So, let's do this. So, to recommend you to get it, you're going to need either a plane. Well, hold on. So, to get to here, you need to walk over from the superhero's base from in the cave. You can swim, you can walk, you can drive, or you can fly. But I would recommend you to fly, but you have to talk to this guy. Hey, you come looking for our treasure, huh? Well, that's too bad, because I threw the only map into the ocean. Are you serious? Why'd you do that? You'll never find it unless the tides, never mind. Woo! Okay, so, dang it, my plane race. So that means
He's got this.
Ethan, stop. So, I'm gonna have to go get another plane. Let's see if I have any. Let me spawn the boat. I'm not close to the. You serious? This is the boat. I expected more. Oh, I didn't buy that other boat. Hold on. Alright. So, right now, I'm going to go to a bridge that will lead from the gun shop, kind of, but I'm going to have to follow it, so, hold on. Cricket! Okay, a little update. I'm doing terrible right now. If I could only have that boost. Okay. Alright, so, to get a plane, or whatever. Wait, hold on, is the nightclub open? No, dang it. Okay, so hold on, so. Actually, before I even do anything. This is not where the planes are. Hold on a minute. I need to search this place, because I know there's planes around here, I just can't find them. Hold on. Like, helicopters. How is the bank still open? Yeah, focusing on the video. Oh yeah, sorry guys if I haven't been focusing so much on my videos. I've just been really busy with school, and it's pretty annoying. Leave a like if you don't like school. Leave a comment if you love school. I would leave a like, because almost everybody does not like school. Because, you know, school's annoying. Recording. Okay. Sorry guys if you're hearing typing in the background. Earlier before I made this video, I was typing and it sent me right out as I was hacking, so yeah, I glitched. I'm doing terrible. This video would have been way shorter. But hold on. Alright. Skirt now, boy. I think you turn this way. Finally! I'm gonna leave a comment down below if you want me to buy that car. Put a 1 for yes, a 2 for no. So now that we know that, one, the map, well, it's supposed to spawn on the coast, so that means, okay, hold on, let me go back to the, now, we need to go to the criminal base. Okay. Oh, hey, hold on. There's a airdrop. Oh, it's a money one. Oh, it is a money. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'm gonna be right. Okay, I got the money delivered. Now, so we know that the key's supposed to, the map's supposed to spawn near the coast, but I think it spawns like near where the base is. Here, let's go check. Why do I look so short? Look, I'm like 5'10". Okay, so I passed it. Just need to go up some. So it's around here. Hold on. Okay, it's along this coast. Well, it should be. Right. Hold on, let me start looking. It spawns randomly, so you're gonna have to look for it. It might take a while, but you'll find it like a few minutes later. Okay, it's so not here. Alright. Sorry, it's just really cold in my room right now. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so it should spawn right here. Let me upper my plane. Usually it spawns somewhere else, but this time it spawns right here. Okay. So, let's see. Alright. So, if we get into my plane. Yeah, I have control. So, I know where one of the spots are. Okay, so, for the X on the upper corner, it's near the waterfall. So, let's see, the waterfall, it's like right around here. Okay, so, let's drop down. Alright. Let's dig. Oh! Oh, dang, I found out my first try. Nice. Yeah, this is what the key looks like. At first, when I started looking to find it, before I found it, I thought it was like over, and I was like, there's no way I'm going to be able to get it. Why do I keep putting that? Okay. But after I found it, I'm like, what? Because it took me over 5 hours just to find it. Then that one day I find it, I'm like, are you serious? Okay. So, wonder what happens when we talk to this guy again. No, don't open it. You have no idea what cursed lies is in that chest. You don't think I'm gonna open it? You can watch me open it, boy. Oh yeah, for record. Hey, you can look. Seriously? Do you not see the key in my freaking hand? You serious? Oh, so he says the same thing. Oh. Well, that stinks. Alright. Let's go open that chest. Because we ain't listening to the guy. Okay. Alright. We have the key. And we have this chest. But hold on. Actually, I want to see what if we can move it. Yeah, no, we can't move it. Alright. No way. Okay, so this does not work when you die or log off. So you're gonna have to keep doing this every time, but hold on. Alright. Let's try out the powers. And let's see. Holy crap, that's creepy. For you to fly, you have to activate the powers and then jump twice. Let's see. Oh, nice. Yeah. Here's the tutorial. And that's the tutorial for how to get the henchman powers from the cursed chest. Bye. Peace.